So let's see. Perfume, clock, brush, slipper, No, that's about it. So let's close that up. Dang, get it organized. I'll just put it back in my closet later. I'm so clean. I'm so glad Jason just gave up and gave me this room, the big room. I have my reasons. Now it's time to go to bed. Maybe next time we'll get something from Meg or something. What time is it? Already. See, brush. Blue. Okay, should I wear it? Just grab my collar and let's go. Mom, am I late? No, you're not. You just slept a couple of minutes. That's okay. Okay, everyone, pick a cookie. And hurry, Jason will eat them all. So, how was your sleep? It was good. Good. But I'm still trying to figure out whether if I'm going to school now or am I not. Honey, this is your first day in your Nordic schools. You can do good, okay? Have a good day. Your dad's gonna come up any minute, eat this breakfast, and go. Is how it will go every day? Hopefully. Yeah. Okay. By the way, hurry before Dylan gets that last cookie. No! I want a cookie! Kids. Oh, yo, what's up, Mom? Hello, Mama. Hi. How was the day? It's good. Excuse me. Okay. Kids, hurry! Jason's awake! Wait, what? Okay! Hurry, sneakers, before he gets it! I'm hurrying! Cookie's mine! Yum, 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 yum. No, I want cookie! No, I want cookie! Okay, you guys get some free time. Well, I get the last cookie! Ladies first. Ever heard of it? Yeah, but you know what they say. Girls, boys go to Mars to get candy bars. Girls go to Jupiter to get more Jupiter. You just copy that off of a book. A great book! Now it's mine! No. Hurry! Eat it! Aw, man. Ah. Well, that was good. And hey, Dad's awake. We gotta go. It's up to me to clean up this mess. Nah, I'll just do it later. Okay, kids. Now meet me in the living room with your bags. Sally and Billy, you don't have to if you don't want to. But you have to. Get your bags. And just get in. If you're making something big and you can't fit it, just let me know. Well, you heard the lady. Let's go. I'm gonna go get my bag. There's no door there, Jason. You don't think I know? Wait, you don't think I know? That was just gibberish. Let's get our bags. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mom, I'm ready. Just have to get my bag. Okay, then get it. So far, it's empty. Okay. Your teacher, get it there. I signed you up for everything. Okay. I'm ready. Me too. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Pardon me. Jason, you're just a goofball. Okay, Mom. Thank you. Okay. Okay, kids, get in the car. And line up for Mom. I'll be by the door. Love you. Have a good day. Yeah. Love you. Have a good day. Yay, parents. Love you. Have a good day. That wasn't really a pattern. Okay, now it is. More sneakers. She's right there. She said she went to the last. Didn't want to hold me up. Okay. Love you. Do you look good? You look awesome. Have a good day, sweetie. Your phone's so big. You're my only big kid from here. Besides Jason. Besides, you are the only big, tall, non-aesthetic kid. What does that mean again? Normal. Okay. Have a good day. Now clean up everything. Whew. I'm getting old. Get in the car, everybody! And it, by the way, it's Jason's turn to go in the front. Yahoo! Hot Rabbit's dad. Mom, I want to go first. I want to go first. Yeah. Make some room for sneakers. Everybody ready? Yeah. Let's go then. Woohoo! You forgot about me. Making a trip back. Okay. Sally and Billy, it's your stop. You will come here every single morning. Yay. Sneakers. Bye, Sneakers. Bye, Jason. Okay. I'm ready. Then let's go. Okay, no one's home. Okay, Sneakers and Jason, it's your stop. I'm trying to get out, Dad. Okay. Okay. Have a good day at school. Bye. Okay. Whoa. Look at that school. Should we even dare to go in? I dare. I take dares. You are a dare. Come on, let's go. Wait, how do you even get in? I don't know. But whoa, so big. Really? Really? Maybe it's automatic. Beep, 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 beep. Where is the control panel? I don't know. But maybe it's... Yes? Who is it? We're the new students? Come on in, sorry. You were very shy. Just kidding, just come in.